Some things I spend on, other things I invest in. When it comes to my creative workspace, I'm more than happy to invest in. This film is a justification of my near $10,000 investment over the course of a year. So sit back, relax, and let me give you a tour of... Now, high quality desks are expensive, but I did manage to find the Alpha Business tabletops, which were pretty inexpensive for the size and the quality. I coupled these with the IKEA Dills legs, and this created the foundation that everything else rests upon. So with that, let's talk about the purposes of this workspace. Despite being a beginner at cinematography, it's quickly become an incredibly fulfilling aspect in my life. Enabling an immersive editing experience is my 4-monitor layout. An ultra-wide, a main, a 16x18 vertical, and an Asus ZenBook Pro Duo, which I also use while traveling. Editing is pretty handy with the MX3S mouse, which I can use to drag footage to and from the WD Black external hard drive. I did catch a few places in the script where I wanted to make some changes, which I can do on my TechWare Phantom Elite keyboard. Sound designing on the Sony XM4s is so easy and smooth. It was definitely a worthy investment. After an early morning editing session, it's time to pivot to my day job. For work, I use the Dell Precision 5680, a machine capable of handling all the advanced analytics I do. If I have meetings, I take them with the Between Status earbuds, my everyday earbuds. I don't have a ton of meetings today, so I can just stick my nose down and get deep into my projects. Let's see, what do I have on my to-do list today? The Books Note Air 3C is my e-ink tablet. It replaces everything I would have used paper for: journals, notes, to-do lists, etc. The tablet sits on my Bololo desk shelf setup cockpit, which helps organize the storage of my keyboard, docking station, and other small items. Something that I definitely don't regret doing is placing my setup next to a window to allow plenty of sunlight in. The sunlit backdrop is the perfect recipe for focus, productivity, and happiness. As the workday comes to a close, here's a reminder to not forget the mind and body, and staying hydrated is key, as my Water IO water bottle reminds me to reach my hydration goals. To support longevity and put me in a better mood, my 2 golden pothos constantly supply the space with fresh air, hence my mind is clear when I work on purpose number 3. My self-improvement ecosystem consists of Notion dashboards, journals, books, and my Mind Design planner. This card and walnut holder system is how I design and set my weekly goals. For reading and journaling, I can always go back to my trusty Books tablet. I love working and consider myself a workaholic, but sometimes we really just gotta put everything down and play. My PC case is the Fractal Design North, for obvious reasons. My preferred head clicker of choice is the Logitech Superlight. 1 mid, 2 CT. GG's. Between work and play, this space is my creation where function meets form, and I hope you also had fun with me on this journey today.